Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. In this video I'm going to discuss another cryptocurrency which I'm adding to my crypto portfolio for 2024. This is one of the fastest blockchains out there, which is already operational. This project which we will be talking about in this video, it is not a plan, guys. This is already working blockchain. However, not many developers are working on this blockchain yet, and I will explain you why in this video. And I believe that this blockchain will start its development really only in 2023, and in this video I'm going to explain you why it is actually going to happen. So in this video we are going to talk about Kadena. Kadena, most underrated in my view, guys, crypto, blockchain, cryptocurrency, you call it however you want, out there. However, as always, remember guys, my videos here on Crypto Bull channel, they are not a financial advice. As here on Crypto Bull channel, I'm just reviewing different projects which I find interesting, which I am adding to my crypto portfolio. And if you are interested to check out all my videos on all different cryptocurrencies which I'm adding to my crypto portfolio for 2024, link will be in description. There is a link to playlist, guys. Check out that playlist for yourself. And there I have already many different cryptocurrencies where I'm scaling in for 2024. And yes, Kadena is another cryptocurrency which I'm going to scale in, or where I'm already starting to scale in for 2024. So let's start and have a look at tokenomics, guys, and let's get over the project a little bit later, and I will tell you more about the project a little bit later in this video. So maximum supply of this cryptocurrency of KDA will be ever only 1 billion. This means that there will be maximum supply of 1 billion and there will never be more. And currently in circulation there is about 200 million. So 20% is already out there. And the price for the token is $1.42, and this project has been started approximately in 2015-2016. Many people on YouTube who are creating videos about Kadena, they are saying that this project is connected to JP Morgan. So no guys, this project is not connected to JP Morgan. However, the main developers of Kadena have been working and they actually developed JP Morgan's coin. And now let's talk about why I think that this project could absolutely explode. Firstly, these 1 billion tokens will be released only in 120 years, and Kadena is proof of work blockchain. But what is unique about this project is that this is one of the most secure blockchains out there, and the developers of this project has also built the programming language for this project. So let's start by looking at who stands behind this project. These are these two guys. One of them is Stuart Popejoy, who led JP Morgan's emerging blockchain group. So he was working for JP Morgan, but he is not related to JP Morgan, and JP Morgan is not related to Kadena. And another person is Will Marino, and he was recruited from his role in the SEC. And together, Stuart and Will built JP Morgan's first blockchain, which was known as JPM Coin. Here you can find much more information, much more about the team, and much more about people and experience who have been working for this project. And what is unique about Kadena blockchain is that this is the fastest blockchain out there, and currently Kadena blockchain is already able to process 480,000 transactions per second. As you know, Bitcoin is able to process only up to 8 transactions per second, and Ethereum, even after this merge, it is able to process only 17 to 19 transactions per second. And many people are saying that Solana is the fastest blockchain. However, it is not also the truth. There is 70,000 transactions per second for Solana, but this measurement for Solana blockchain is taken only if the block size will be less than 1 kilobyte. So pretty much there will not be many transactions stored in one block when Solana blockchain is running, and that is actually why we were seeing Solana blockchain crashing, because when Solana blockchain is overloaded, when people are really using, for example, Solana blockchain, when it reaches 3,500 transactions per second, Solana blockchain was crashing because it is not able to carry, or each block is not able to carry huge amount of data, like for example with Kadena blockchain. So another problem with Solana which is currently known to many people as the fastest blockchain out there, is, guys, that it needs a huge amount of space, and for each transactions which are happening on Solana blockchain, it needs a huge amount of memory storage of those transactions which were carried out on Solana. That is another problem or issue with Solana blockchain, where these issues are not here with Kadena blockchain. So now let's have a look at some features for Kadena. As you can see here, guys, safer, smarter contracts, guys. So on Kadena blockchain, you can also write a smart contracts, and developers are able to build different types of applications. No cost transactions. This is another huge thing, that this blockchain doesn't have transaction fees. You are not paying for transaction. Energy efficient and scale. This is another thing, and this derives from how this blockchain is built. If you know how core blockchain works, then you should know that each block is storing the data. For example, in Bitcoin, if some transactions are being carried out, then each 10 minutes a block is created, and also transactions are stored in that one block, and then comes the next block, and next 10 minutes transactions are being stored in that block. However, also in this next block there is a stored hash from the previous block, so those transactions are not being changed, so they can't be changed or all blockchain will crash. And this is pretty much happening with all blockchains, where here with Kadena they have built a unique system of blockchain, where Kadena blockchain is able to use the same processing power as, for example, Bitcoin, but Kadena is able to process 480,000 transactions with the same processing power as, for example, Bitcoin. And this is not the limit for Kadena, and Kadena can scale even to millions of transactions if they implement or they create more blockchains. So in Kadena blockchain, there is also a video where you can watch video in their docs. If you go back to their website, then here at the very top you can click on these docs and you can read more technical information about Kadena. And there is also here in white papers overview, there is this video which explains how Kadena blockchain works. And in general, there is not only one blockchain, but currently there are 20 blockchains which are interconnected. I will show you a quick video here, guys. And here you can see that these blockchains are pretty much working all together, and they are interconnected one with another, and they are able to process 480,000 transactions per second. You can come and watch this video for yourself. However, I will also leave a link in the description. If you are interested, go and check this out for yourself. And that is another huge thing about this project, guys, 480,000 transactions, and that it requires only the same processing power as Bitcoin for its 7 transactions per second. And proven security. So this is a proof because it is running a proof of work, guys. One thing is that they will be using packed language, which is built by these guys who have developed this project, and that is the one of the main things which I will talk a little bit later about. But another thing is that this is proof of work, and it is running 20 blockchains at the same time, which are interconnected with one another, which is making this blockchain very secure. As you know, proof of work blockchains are much more secure than proof of stake blockchains in general. And the industrial scalability, obviously, guys, currently this blockchain is able to process more transactions, like, for example, even Visa, guys. Yes, and that is exactly the reason why I think that this blockchain or Kadena could absolutely explode, only because of this one reason, because it is really fast. And in comparison to all other blockchains which are out there, there is no faster blockchains than Kadena at the moment, at least of the blockchains which I know. If you know any faster blockchains, let me know in the comments, guys. And now let's talk about why this project has been so quiet and nobody is really talking about it. As you know, big YouTubers are not mentioning it, and this is only because of one reason, guys, that this Kadena team has been building this project so far. They have built a packed language, packed programming language in which Kadena is built, and one reason why this Kadena blockchain is not working, why they are not advertising yet, is because developers still don't know this packed language, and they are going to release a course for developers to learn this language only at the beginning of 2023, and they are going to release it in 10 different languages. So only in 2023 developers will be able to really go and learn this language and will be able to start building dApps. However, there are already developers who are figuring out pack language for themselves, and they have started to build some dApps already on Kadena blockchain. And currently Kadena is giving away also 100 million for developers, and here you will be able to apply for Kadena grant program. As you see, Kadena launches 100 million grant program for Web3 builders. So if you are building on Kadena, and if you are a developer and you want to build on Kadena, you can apply for 100 million grant program. So this is also executed by Kadena. So this is already announced by Kadena. So guys, in 2023, when this pack language courses will come out, when developers will start learning it, guys, I believe that Kadena will start really to shine and will bring a huge results. Another thing about Kadena is, guys, that you can already get on different exchanges, and Binance also added Kadena. As you see, Binance and KuCoin and Gate.io, and I believe that in future also Kadena will be added on Coinbase, guys. So yes, this is my other pick, Kadena, guys. I think that this will be huge also for 2024, and that's why I'm slowly starting to scale into this cryptocurrency, as I believe that this could absolutely explode, and to my opinion that this could reach in 2024, 2025, in that range, when the next bull market will come, approximately $50 to $100 per one coin, when there will be already start building applications. And like I mentioned, there's only 1 billion in circulation, and they will be released only in span of next 120 years. So yes, this was my quick review on Kadena. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.